Namaskar. Yoga has long been most effective practice for mental and physical health. Regular practice of asanas and pranayam can help to keep you fit for whole life. However, there are also many other complementary techniques that can support your health along with yoga, such as Ayurveda, massage therapy, sound therapy, acupressure, acupuncture, tai chi, naturopathy, etc. All these practices can be complementary to the yogic lifestyle. Today, I am going to talk about one such supporting method called as aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a natural holistic approach to healing that harnesses the power of essential oils to promote physical and emotional well-being. It is a practice of using essential oils to promote physical and emotional well-being through inhalation. This can be done in several ways, such as using a diffuser, inhaling directly from the bottle, or adding few drops to the warm water bath. So how do essential oils work? When you inhale an essential oil, its molecules travel through your nose and into your lungs, where they are absorbed into the bloodstream. From there, they can affect various systems of your body, such as your respiratory system, nervous system, and immune system. There are many different essential oils to choose from, each with its own unique property and benefit. Some popular ones include: first, lavender. Lavender essential oil is known for its calming property. Inhaling lavender oil can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. It also shows that it is pain relieving and anti-inflammatory by nature. Second, peppermint. Peppermint essential oil is known for its energizing and stimulating property. It has been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory and concentration. It also has analgesic, as pain relieving, and anti-inflammatory effects, making it a popular choice for relieving headaches. Third, eucalyptus. Now, every home experiences this frequently. We have always been taught to inhale this oil through steam inhalation whenever we have any cold or cough. Eucalyptus essential oil is commonly used for respiratory support. It contains compounds that have been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory infection. Inhaling eucalyptus oil has also been shown to improve breathing function and people suffering from asthma. Fourth, tea tree. Tea tree essential oil is known for its immune boosting property. It contains compound that has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help protect against infection and promote wound healing. It's also commonly used as skin care products for its acne fighting and anti-inflammatory effects. It's important to note that essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with caution. Always dilute them properly before you apply them on your skin, and do your research to ensure that you are using them safely and effectively. Make sure you use a pure and natural one and not the one which has additives. Essential oil in aromatherapy can be a powerful tool to promote health and wellness. Whether you are looking to relax or boost energy or support your immune system, there is an essential oil out for you. Just be sure to use them safely and responsibly and enjoy the benefit they give you. They are offering lots of benefits to you, so use them. Namaskar.